Crossroads. Governance is on its knees. The economy is on its knees. Services. There are some things that are being done right. We can see the roads. We can see some things coming up. But most things, even during a pandemic, we are not having health services. Let us not bury our heads in the sand. There are issues, we need to solve them. In the presidency, there is discord. How are they going to unite the nation if they cannot be able to talk to one another? If they cannot be able to resolve those problems? We should be able to work even with people we don't like. We should be able to share public spaces. So I'm calling upon the presidency, which is two people, the president and the deputy, lead Kenyans to reason together by being able to sit down, reason together, and reduce the tension that is building in the country. I am glad the bishop mentioned that Mount Kenya East, and Mount Kenya generally has been one. We still are one, but it is necessary to remind us that, and as leaders, that's what we did, to remind Mount Kenya we are one. I'm glad we were heard loud and clear. After our call, there's been so much activity of leaders uniting, and I know it will be for common good. So as we go on today, and as we support education, let us also remember prayers for this country. There is so much more we can do to ensure that we live in harmony, to ensure that everybody accesses basic services, to ensure that we all feel secure in our country.
We have leaders in this nation who talk of uniting us, and thank you, Bishop, for even mentioning that. We have leaders who pretend to be singing unity in Mount Kenya, yet they are pointing fingers to the other leaders. If we really mean it and we want Mount Kenya to be united, we must include all and sundry in that pot, in that discussion. But we cannot say we are uniting while others are kicking the others out. I want to take this opportunity, Madam Mother Karua, to thank you for you refused to budge with your party, NAK Kenya. When all parties were being brought together, you stood strong, and now you are party leader. I have heard of, a euphoria that is sweeping us. And I'm cautioning us all. And Speaker, I would pray that you take this bull head on, that we also need a party that can bring our people together. That is the only way we can be able to put things on the table and discuss and make demands. What is there for us as Mount Kenya? When we want to say, as the church, this is what we need in Mount Kenya, it is when we have a platform. So how I wish that we can also have an alliance of parties coming from Mount Kenya, including the one of Mother Karua, which I may not join because she's a candidate from Gubantoyo, just like I am. And of course, she won't give me the ticket. But how I pray that in a democratic space, we be allowed to exercise that for our people in Mount Kenya. For us to just enter into one ship, there will come a time when ile fimbo ikiinuliwa hivi itagonga sisi wote. It is good we go to the negotiating table, hata kama ni Speaker Muturi atakuwa pale. Mother Karua can make demands through her party.